Hi everybody, welcome to Reality Buzz TV. So Ingane Zesthembu is back. Season 2 is here. We just watched episode 2 and there's a lot going on the show. But there's a lot going on off the show because of the show. So I guess while we are watching the show, there are people, characters who are watching the show, responding to the show, shading each other, and all of that, you guys. Remember, on the episode, guys, on the episode, Uvuyo, her parents, Mseleku, no Mayeni were meeting, no Pumelelo. So, ngala on social media, Utirelo is throwing shade at Uvuyo or whatever it is that was happening on the show. Also, uNompumelelo. Remember Nompumelelo? Mpumelelo's ex is also throwing shade on the show. And it also looks like they have some kind of an alliance, Otirelo no Nompumelelo. And remember, Uvuyo ngathi she's not really getting along with Utirelo. It looked that way last season, and I guess things got worse after. And remember, we did watch on the preview that they are going to be fighting. I don't know if it's the next episode or the episode after that they are going to be fighting. So they're busy there online throwing shade. The biggest thing that they're throwing shade at is the fact that Uvuyo had assumed that she is Mamkulu, and I guess she's not going to be Umamkulu. Kunama post where they are laughing at that. And also Mam Kopozi, if you want to check that video on Mam Kopozi TV, she just posted a video where Unompumelelo was on her Instagram somewhere next to Mpumelelo's car. And remember, Unompumelelo, we thought she has broken up with Mpumelelo, but Nompumelelo was somewhere next to Mpumelelo's car. The car that Mpumelelo just got on Uthando Nesithembu. So it's not an old video. It must be a recent video. Now, with all of that going on, you guys, one is, I'm wondering how Otirelo thinks she's in a better situation than Uvuyo. Because if Umpumelelo is saying that Uvuyo is not going to be a wife number 1, you are also not going to be wife number 2 because there's another person that is coming. So, and also with the disrespect that Uvuyo is putting up with, or it disrespects that Uvuyo is getting from Mpumelelo, it's coming from your man. So let's just say that Utirelo ends up winning, Uvuyo maybe, because she is saying on her Instagram, Uvuyo is confirming she is out of that situation. She has broken up with Mpumelelo. Let's just say that it's real. It's true, they've broken up. Now, Utirelo, you are left with Mpumelelo. Now, let's just say that you've won. The question is, winner. My question will be, what are you winning? Because how are you happy that your Mnagweni is being disrespected? Because the disrespect comes from a person that you also want to become your husband. Meaning that there are possibilities that that treatment that he is giving to Uvuyo, he will give it to you in the future. Because at some point, he did love Uvuyo. Manje, it doesn't look like he loves her, guys. We might be wrong, but it doesn't look like Mpumelo loves Vuyo right now. But I'm just thinking that exactly what would you be celebrating if you were Tirelo at this point? Because the person that is throwing the disrespect is your man. If you win him, you are winning a disrespectful guy. So at some point now, he is going to treat you that way. And I'm also wondering if they really do get along with Tirolo no Mpumelelo, because Mpumelelo even posted with Tirolo with the baby. Now I'm like, is it a matter of them getting along, or it's because they have a common enemy, the enemy being Uvuyo, that they are now looking like they're getting along? Also, looking at Nompumelelo's posts, especially on her stories, I started to think, ukuthi, I feel like she regrets leaving Mpumelelo, not because maybe she still loves Mpumelelo. I don't know. Maybe they'll get back together. I don't know, you guys, because I don't understand the situation of them being at the same place at some point. Okay, maybe we'll get clarity later on what that is about. But I feel like if she regrets leaving Mpumelelo, it's for one reason, and that is the fact that she didn't get to do the show. She left just before they did the show, because had she stayed a little bit longer in this relationship, she would have been part of the show. And once you are part of the show, you guys, you are part of the show. You might leave the show, but already you can benefit from it, because even if Uvuyo leaves in Pumelelo now and they decide she's not gonna do the next show, we already know her. There's so many. There are so many other things that she could use that in, in building herself, and like financially. Okay, so it's a good thing to be on show that is on DSTV, you know. So I feel like if this girl comes back, like, because Gyasoli is supposed to, she's being found next to Mpumelelo, they have this alliance now with Tirelo. I feel like it will be because she really just wants to come back now, and get to experience the fame that comes with being on the show, which all of the cast is getting right now. But if you go and watch Mam Kopozi TV's video, she talks about how people are saying it's possible that the virgin that Umpumelelo is talking about is Nompumelelo. But then people were saying, but Nompumelelo is not a virgin because Nompumelelo recently had a baby that they are saying is not Mpumelelo's. Okay, so she left Mpumelelo, fell pregnant, had a baby. So they're saying she's no longer a virgin. But they are saying it's still possible that Mpumelelo was the one who broke her virginity. So she is the one that is going to come back to marry Mpumelelo first, which is the reason why they are laughing. Tirelo no Mpumelelo are laughing at Uvuyo online, because they know which that is what is going to happen. I don't know, you guys, I'm not buying it yet. I am feeling like it's suspicious that she's spending time with Mpumelelo, but the fact that she is the virgin, that the suspicion that she is the virgin that Mpumelelo is talking about, it just wouldn't make sense. They would have confused us for no reason, because we are thinking the virgin is going to be a new girl. Remember when Mpumelelo was saying he wants to marry a virgin, they did ask him, so who is the virgin? Are you going to bring back Unompumelelo? And Mosamsele was like, no, he can't bring back Unompumelelo because Unompumelelo messed up after the breakup. Okay. And I think what he meant was that she had a baby after the breakup. But what if the baby is Mpumelelo's? What if the baby is Mpumelelo's? I know they had broken up, but here they are spending time together. Listen, you guys, just like Uvuyo was saying, ukuthi isidima sakhe uMpumelelo usehlisile, I feel like as a girl or as a woman, you can't celebrate ukwehla kwesidima so of another woman uma leso sidima sehliswa indoda that you are still with. You can't, unless you are an ex, like you can say vele ngakutshela. But you can't celebrate it if when you are still in the relationship with a person, because the person that is really winning, if Uvuyo ends up really walking out of that relationship, she's the one that is actually winning, because she's walking away from the disrespect. She's walking away from the place that where she's disregarded, a place where she's not loved, a place where her feelings and thoughts do not matter. She's walking away from that. So when you celebrate her downfall, but you are the one that is left with a man that is disrespectful. I don't see the celebration. Where is the celebration there? Winning daughter ezokuhlupha. You know, because Upubelelo clearly, guys. I think Upubelelo every month he's just going to be meeting a new girl, and we'll be like, oh, there's number one, oh, there's number two, oh, there's number three. Oh, but guys, there's a lot of drama. So make sure that you are following these girls. Nompumelelo, Utirelo, Uvuyo, because there's a whole lot of shade game going on right now after the episode. Also, you guys, Utirolo, we haven't seen her. I guess Uvuyo is shooting more this season, but I think we're going to see her next season, and we'll get to see the baby as well. And I can't wait to see that fight that they get into, because I want to understand what it's about. We're just going to see these girls fight over a boy that is not even worth it. They are going to be bazonyusa BP, yazi BP, nyusa BP, banyusa temperature, bahefuzele, bacishe bathola ama-strokes for a boy that we all know. All of us know he's not worth it, but bazolwa baze bacishe bafe balwela leyo ndoda leyo. Umjolo guys, umjolo uyakwehlisa i-IQ yakho, uzizwe ukuthi yabona manje ngisidome manje. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers.